How do I know a broker won't run away with my money or holdings? It's a fair question. You are investing your hard-earned money and you are buying shares that you may hold for years, and everything exists inside an app that you don't physically control. So where does this real trust come from? Here is the most important thing to understand. Your broker does not own your shares. In India, your holdings are stored in your Demat account with CDSL or NSDL. These are the two regulatory depositories, and your broker only provides a platform to trade or invest. So before trusting any broker, there is one rule which you must follow. If the broker is SEBI-registered or not. So if any platform is not registered with the SEBI, then you should never trade with it. Now what if a SEBI-registered broker shuts down? Don't worry, your shares will still remain safe since your holdings are in your depositories, which you can transfer to another broker anytime. So the ownership never changes. Clients' funds are also protected. They are kept in a segregated bank accounts, monitored through daily reportings and audits. So broker cannot misuse your money. This is how a system works. So if the broker is registered with the SEBI, then you can trust on it.